In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow Google Chrome to run Java safely. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, move to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu icon. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome. On the left side of the screen, you will see a navigation panel with different categories. Click Privacy and Security. After that, look for Site Settings and click on it. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to do, including permissions for things like notifications, pop-ups, location access, and scripts. Next, scroll down until you reach the Content section. In that section, click JavaScript. It is important to understand that many people say Java when they actually mean JavaScript in the browser. Chrome does not directly run traditional Java plugins, but it does allow websites to use JavaScript, which is required for many modern sites to work correctly. Under default behavior, select sites can use JavaScript. Turning this on allows websites to load interactive features, forms, menus, videos, and other page elements that depend on scripting. If JavaScript is disabled, some websites may appear broken or may not work as expected. Once you have selected sites can use JavaScript, the change is applied automatically. There is no separate Save button to click, so you can simply close the Settings tab or continue browsing. That covers everything you need to know.